Good morning, guys. I don't know what time it is, but I know it's like Saturday. I woke up this morning to start working on some video editing, and I powered on my X1 Carbon from Lenovo ThinkPad, and it beeped. It looks like there was some type of firmware that was updating, and it just blacked out. The escape key is lit. The power button is lit as well. It's been stuck like this for a good 25 to 30 minutes. I even held the power button like forever, which I'm doing right now, and it's just not powering off. I wanted to drain the battery completely, so I kind of inserted a USB fan right here, but that's going to take forever. So what I'm going to do is going to close this guy up, flip it. Going to take one of these screwdrivers, unscrew it, find the battery, which I think the battery would be around here, unplug it, wait for a while, and then plug the battery in, and then hopefully, cross the fingers, it should power on. All right, so I just positioned the camera so you guys can get a nice bird's eye view on it. I have no light, so let me turn some light on. Boom. This is crazy. Damn thing was working yesterday with no problem. I shut it down yesterday, no problems. I know I got a warning or a notification stating that there was like a battery firmware update, but I got that like every single day, and I've been restarting the machine. So like, come on. If I've been restarting the machine, that update should have been pushed out by now. So we're gonna go old school. Checking the light is still lit. When you need the laptop the most, it's gonna go hard down on me. And I have a PC, which is actually turned on right now. I have a PC, and I'm able to use that, but the problem is with the PC, it's syncing all my projects down, and that's about 90 gigs. All right, this one came off. The other ones didn't come off. This thing is coming out pretty smooth, pretty easy. I thought I was gonna have a lot more trouble taking it out, but that's not the case. Look at that, that's pretty, look at that, that was pretty easy. All right, so this is the battery right here. Battery component is right here. And I guess this guy right here is the connector for the battery. All right, so to remove this guy, we need to get something flat. So let me find something that's flat. Flat and small. We need to insert it here and then lift. There we go. All right, so just lifting it powered everything off. So I'm actually gonna remove it completely. There we go, just remove it completely. Awesome. That actually turned off this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it kind of powered everything off. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is for a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna plug it back in. I'm gonna plug in the Type-C power adapter, and then I'm gonna power it on and see what's going on. All right, so I gave it some time with the battery unplugged. So we're gonna plug it back in. It's not as easy as you think. Okay, now I got it, cool. So you gotta like put it in, and you have to like lift up the thing in an angle and then just like lay it on top, boom. It's really weird, but it's in there. All right, so we are going to put the cover back on, like so. And we I'm gonna cross my fingers and hopefully it turns back on. If not, it is a battery problem and I might have to get a battery replacement. It doesn't look like this part is, there we go. That's down now, great. Let's do this way, this one over here. And let's do this one over here. Got one more to go. All right, cool. All right, so I'm going to take it to my desk, plug in the Type-C adapter, and then power it on. So we are at my desk. I plugged in the Type-C connector, power adapter. It's lit. When I did that, the ThinkPad logo right here on the eye, that lit up red. We are going to, there it goes. Cool. Can you see me? All right, we're going to press the power button, which the power button is located over here. This is the 8th generation X1 Carbon. All right, that's a good sign. Let's see what happens. That's a good sign as well. This is crazy. Early in the morning, I want to go straight into working, and my laptop starts acting up. And the battery was full. I didn't have any battery issues. So I'm gonna check on the event logs. It's back up and running. All right, I don't know what's going on. I gotta check the event logs to see what's going on the battery, to see what actually happened. Probably it was that Lenovo firmware battery that caused the problem, but the fix was removing the battery, that little plug, leaving it alone for a while, plugging it back up, closing it, and then there it goes.